Black mold, it's one of the most dangerous household problems facing Baltimore homeowners today. If you've spotted dark, slimy patches in your bathroom, basement, or around air vents, that's not dirt. That's toxic black mold, and it can affect your health and your home's value. So how can you kill it fast? Here's how people across Baltimore, Maryland are eliminating black mold in under 5 minutes using safe, simple ingredients you already have. Step 1. Protect yourself. Put on gloves and a mask. Black mold spores can cause breathing issues, sinus problems, and allergic reactions. Step 2. Mix your mold-killing solution. In a spray bottle, combine 1 part white vinegar and 1 part hydrogen peroxide. Add a few drops of tea tree oil for an extra antifungal punch. Step 3. Spray directly on the mold. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Don't wipe immediately. If you hear fizzing, that's the reaction breaking down the mold at its roots. Step 4. Scrub and rinse. Use a stiff brush to clean the area, then dry it completely. Mold thrives in Baltimore's humid climate. Moisture control is key. Step 5. Keep it from coming back. Repair leaks, run a dehumidifier, and spray your vinegar mix weekly as a natural mold blocker. You just killed black mold safely, quickly, and affordably. But if you suspect a deeper problem or hidden mold in your walls, call the local experts at MD Mold Testing, proudly serving Baltimore and all of Central Maryland. Visit mdmoldtesting.com or call 301-7171454 today. And if you'd like a free home safety guide, comment mold free below. We'll send it right to you.